Hey guys, thanks for stopping in today. My name is Mark. On this channel, I cover drones and technology. Today, I'm going to cover ND filters for the Osmo Pocket. I've got a really nice set that I'll show you, and I'll also show you how to use them and the benefits of using them. So here we have the filter case. Here's the dimensions for storage. And let's take a peek inside. Here's all the filters. Here's the type of filters that are included. We have the ND4, ND8, ND16, circular polarized, ND8 polarized, ND16 polarized, ND32 polarized, and ND64 polarized. So a very complete set. Let's take one of these and fit it on to the camera. Very easy to put on. Just snaps on with a magnet. We'll turn it on and make sure it goes through its gimbal initialization properly. There we go. And for convenience, if you want to just leave the filter on, you can. You can just drop it into the case and you are all set for the next use. Alright, so let's take a close look at one of the polarized filters. You can see all these polarized filters have a red frame to easily identify them. And you can also turn the frame to control the amount of glare that you want to remove from your shot. Alright, so let's get into how to set the camera settings to use these ND filters properly. We're going to start off in auto mode. We're in 4K, 30 frames per second. You can see the shutter speed is running at 1/1000th of a second. So here I've freeze framed the video, and you can see the lettering on this truck is very visible because the shutter speed is very high. So to use ND filters properly, you do need to switch to the manual mode, so you could adjust the shutter speed to be double the inverse of the video frame rate. So earlier on you saw that I had 4K at 30 frames per second, so double the inverse of the frame rate would be 1/60th of a second. So when you set it to 1/60th of a second, you can see that the exposure is blown out. So now when I install the ND filter, you can see the exposure is properly adjusted now. So now in this case, when I freeze frame the video, you can see the object is blurry, which is the desired effect with ND filters, which gives moving objects a smoother, more natural look to the human eye. And so here's an example when you're panning your camera without an ND filter, you could kind of see a stuttering of the image. And here's a video clip with the ND filter on. It's much smoother. So now let's take a look at the benefits of using polarized filters. Take note of the shadow of the tree in the lake, and so this is without the polarized filter on, and this is with the polarized filters on. Okay, and here's one more example without a polarized filter and with a polarized filter. Alright, so that is it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, appreciate you hitting that like button. Got a lot more videos coming up on the Osmo Pocket, so go ahead and subscribe if you like. Thanks again. Bye.